No surprise, bad survey data comes in piles, and it's usually the same culprits, like the coupon Karens or the beer money bros who game surveys for the rewards, or the C smashers that always answer C, no matter what. C, 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 C. Ugh. Or sometimes it's mothball-ready systems that are so slow that the data is out of date by the time it's published, or janky targeting that leads to suspect responses, and the bad data just piles up and up and up. You need good quality data, and you need it fast, which is no problem because there's Pollfish, which makes building your own custom surveys a snap. Pollfish diversifies your sample base, integrating with your company system so you can see real-time what your data is doing now rather than an hour ago. Their super advanced AI scrubs out all those bad data culprits.
I assume we still get our rewards, though.
Yeah, we'll get back to you. So great news, you get better, cleaner data, which equals smarter decisions, which equals a happy, positive company culture. And it's all thanks to Pollfish.